The dish we are making today is Taboon Flatbread. It's our variation of what one can call pizza. A very basic characteristic of what we're cooking in the restaurant is local food. A lot of the vegetables are seasonal vegetables that grow either in our farm or in neighbor's farm. And the way we work with the ingredients, we don't try to costume them. We are in Rama's Kitchen, this is my restaurant, which is located in a little village called Nataf, 15 kilometers from Jerusalem. One day at the end of November 2016, fire started 5 kilometers from here. So in the restaurant there was a wedding. All the guests saw the fire, but everybody had the feeling that it's being taken care of. We were asked to evacuate the people. Then I was asked to leave the restaurant. I went down, I turned backwards, and I saw a big black pile. And I understood that it was my restaurant, and I collapsed. It took a while for the family to decide whether we want to rebuild the restaurant or not. I said that at my old age, I'm not getting into the adventure of restoration again. My daughter said I do, and we were all very happy for it, because for us, we felt, we didn't know then, but it was really a way of healing. The food has changed from the first restaurant to the second. Changed not because of the fire. It has changed because we have an opportunity to rethink, to retry, be more exact. It is more close to my heart, to the heart of what we're doing.